friends, my name is Parth and you are watching my channel Panira Arts. We are starting a special videos for this lockdown period. Yes, we are coming with new videos on academic subject. Today we are starting with English subject. So let's start.
Let's learn English alphabet. A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Egg. F. Fan. G. Goat. H. Hen. I. Ice cream. J. Jug. K. Kite. L. Lion. M. Mango. N. Nest. O. Orange. P. Parrot. Q. Queen. R. Rat. S. Sun. T. Top. U. Umbrella. V. Violin. W. Watch. X. Xmas tree. Y. Yacht. Z.